Well, it's been a long time since I've been out here. My infirmities are catching up with me faster than I can work on this Willys wagon. But today I'm going to try and remove the right front hub and brake backing plate and brakes and get them cleaned up and get ready for the reinstallation of the brakes in the next week or so, I hope. Anyway, we'll be back. Well, it was a bit of a struggle to get that brake line off, but I'm going to be replacing them, I think. I may just blow some air through them and see what happens, but in any case, I think I'm going to leave this hub alone for now. I might come back and clean it up later and do what we did with the other one, but for this moment, I'm going to leave it just the way it is and get all this stuff into the shop and start the cleaning process.